Welcome guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you are interested in self-development, working from home, and entrepreneurship, you are at the right place. And in today's video, I'm going to share with you free online editing tools for writing. But before I dive right into that, let me highlight the importance of having these tools at your disposal, even if writing is not your thing. Because I know at some point in your life, you must have sent an email or emails to a friend or a colleague, or for the most part, to your boss at work. And conveying your message very clearly is important such that a confusion or a misled idea can be avoided. Editing and proofreading are essential parts of this simple task that many of us, myself included, tend to ignore. And the good news is this. There are fairly easy to use editing tools that you can find online that can really help you to a great degree. Although editing may well seem intimidating for a lot of people, taking advantage of these free online editing tools for your business or for your everyday encounters that require communication with others is made easier for you in just a matter of a few clicks. And most importantly, you will get to be aware of the mistakes you've made, such as the spelling, unclear sentences, and some grammatical or punctuation errors, to name a few. But of course, if you feel you need more editing for bigger projects, I would highly recommend that you hire a professional editor to do the job for you. The first online editing tool is called Grammarly, and it is a writing app that makes sure that everything you type is readable, easier to understand, and error-free, especially with regard to grammar, spelling, word use, and punctuation. It can also improve your writing style, voice, and tone. There are actually two versions of Grammarly, and I'm going to hop you over to the next page here. The free version and the premium or the paid version. And here is the side-by-side comparison of free and premium accounts. You may want to explore more on the pricing because this may change from the time of this recording. What I am actually using right now is the free version. So the free version has the AI enhanced grammar, spelling, and punctuation checker. It has the browser and MS Word integration with personal dictionary that you can also use. It also has an encryption feature or your document being converted into a code to prevent an unauthorized access. And last but not least, it is also available on mobile. Then if you wish to access more features apart from the ones I have mentioned, you may want to upgrade to the premium version, which is more advanced that can help you with the tone and style of your script and makes your writing sharper and clearer. It also has a spot-on vocabulary suggestion that can improve your diction. In addition, it has a built-in plagiarism checker if you wish to have your script published faster. And since most of us use MS Word to create documents, I'll teach you how you can use Grammarly for MS Word. And I have mentioned also to you that you can take advantage of this free app whenever you are sending your emails, especially through Gmail or even using your Outlook. I have actually signed up for a free Grammarly account in the past, so let me bring you over to my personal account. So what I'm going to do here is to go to my Google Chrome and type in grammarly.com. Now it brought me right into my account because I have not logged out for the purpose of this demonstration, so I'll be more efficient in showing you what's inside. If we go to my account here, the account settings, I have my name there and my email address. Under the customize, I can in fact personalize my dictionary here. You see personal dictionary, where I can add words so that they are not flagged as misspelled. You may also have your language preferences, which can either be American English, British English, Canadian English, or Australian English. And then we go to subscription tab here. Of course, it's a free plan. Nothing else there, so we'll just go to the security here. Now you can enable or activate your two-step verification when you sign up with Google. Another exciting feature is the business style guides. Okay, as you see there, which you can take advantage of when you want to build your brand voice and make it consistent with your branding or marketing. You can create your company dictionary there, here, which means that you and your team can have a shared library of words or vocabulary words and terms or phrases specific to your organization or your company. And it can also help you with your brand voice or tone for press releases, for websites, and sales emails, to name a few. It also has a custom rules with reporting and statistics for continuous feedback to make necessary adjustments for your company. I'm now going to go back to my Grammarly account by clicking on this one here. And then I'm going to click on the apps. And it's going to show me now my apps that need to be installed or reinstalled. So I have my Grammarly for MS Office, Grammarly for Windows, Grammarly for Chrome, Grammarly for my phone and my iPad. I have mine uninstalled for some of them for the purpose of this video. What I'm going to do right now is to go to my Google Chrome browser and type in Grammarly for MS Word. But if you are using other browsers such as Firefox, you can visit the Firefox add-ons page to install the Grammarly browser extension. And then now you'll see the first one here that appears. You may have to just click on this, the MS Office plugin. And it will bring you to this page where it says Grammarly for Microsoft Word and Outlook. You will see below other ways on how to use Grammarly, such as your browser, desktop, mobile, and the Grammarly editor. You may want to explore more on that, and what I find is that the instructions are easy to follow and very straightforward. Next is to click on the Get It for Windows It's Free tab. By the way, it is also available for Mac. So I'll click on this, and it will automatically download Grammarly MS Office. Now, as it says here, we only need to follow these simple steps to start using the add-in. And you have the option right there that says click here if the file did not download properly. Let's assume you have properly downloaded your Grammarly. Then it's time for us to run the Grammarly installer by clicking Save on the installer wizard, and then it will appear like this. And then a window will appear like this that says Welcome to Grammarly. Then click on the Get Started button right there. Then you will see a new window that says select the Grammarly product you'd like to install. And I will hit on the install here. And it's in progress. So this small window will appear that says a Microsoft Office was running during the Grammarly add-in installation. So I must have a window or a Microsoft Word that is open, so you may want to just restart any running Word and Outlook programs before you can use your Grammarly. So you hit on OK. And then you see you have that congratulations, you've installed Grammarly. And then you click on Finish. Now what you want to do is to test for yourself if you have properly launched your Grammarly app by opening your MS Word with your pre-typed text or document and let Grammarly do its job. So here is mine. And I intentionally wrote this one paragraph with obvious errors to know what Grammarly can do for me. So in this document, you'll notice that I have my Grammarly green icon there on the right upper hand corner of the Word document. You can also see the Grammarly tab right next to Help. But before I show you how Grammarly works, let me take you to some of the things you may want to know about this amazing app. First, click on this, open Grammarly tab, and you'll notice that different features will activate. You'll see it here: adjust goals, all issues, correctness, clarity. So you can click on the adjust goals, and you'll see this window that says set goals. You can set goals by tailoring writing suggestions based on your goals and audience, such as general, knowledgeable, and expert. I'll just select knowledgeable for now. And then for formality, you can choose informal, neutral, or formal. For domain, I just choose general. And now let's go to our main business by utilizing Grammarly. And you'll see the suggestions by this app on the right-hand side of the document. You'll notice the red lines underneath the words that are suspected to be erroneous or those with error. What you do is to bring your mouse to the word with the red line and then double-click it. And you will see the suggestion for that particular word. So in this case, Grammarly suggested to correct the spelling for brought. And what's amazing is that there is an explanation for the suggestion. And you have just to repeat the process for each underlined word until you are done. And now I also suggest that you proofread your corrected document to make sure that everything is good to go. There's actually another way where you can use Grammarly on the web by going to your Chrome browser and clicking on the Grammarly icon, which is located at the upper right-hand corner of the screen. There are features where you can turn on and off, such as when you want to check for writing suggestions in a new tab, when you want to show definitions and synonyms by double clicks, or if you want to also correct the spelling automatically. You know that it's on when it's color green and off when it's gray. Then you may also want to change your language preference here: American English, British English, Australian English, or Canadian English. Then you have to click on the new document down here. And it will take you to this page, which means that you are ready to go and you can explore other additional features that you can click located on the side. You may also want to take advantage of the features down here like bold, italicize or italics, and underline, and so forth. What I'm going to do right now is to copy paste the text that I wrote in my previous example, and we'll go from there. You can now see the suggestions that we saw in the first scenario using my MS Word, and from what we have now, Grammarly can tell the overall score. You can also adjust the goals here, and so forth. It can also tell you how many words by looking at this here, and then the readability score. You can actually explore more of Grammarly's other features here as you go along. Although I'm not really using these two additional tools that I'm going to mention, it is worthy to include them here in my video for your reference. The second one is called Pro Writing Aid, which is also an editing tool for writers that has grammar checker and other amazing features that you can choose from, because they also have the free and paid versions. The third one is called the After the Deadline, which is an application used for checking spelling and grammar for the web. It's free for personal use, and it can also be used on your self-hosted WordPress site and as an extension for Chrome or Firefox. There is in fact a lot of these kinds of tools to choose from, both free and paid versions that you can find online according to your needs and preference, but I hope that this video helped you. So again, I invite you to please subscribe, like, and share this video so you will be notified of the information I'm going to be sharing in the near future. And I'll see you again next time. Godspeed!